Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Torrential rain has triggered landslides and flooding in northern Italy, turning roads into rivers and sending mounds of debris into Lake Como. Footage showed brown water gushing down the streets of a village in the lake's southwestern tip after heavy rains through the night and into the Tuesday. The rainfall caused tributaries to swell dangerously, sending water and mud rushing down the mountains into the lake, officials said. There were landslides along the Lake Como's in Val d'Intelve, and the wood and debris formed along the shoreline between the Sanabria and Como. Several villages were left isolated after the heavy rainfall blocked off the roads and caused them to collapse, while damaged cars, some overturned, were seen strewn across the streets. The situation remained dangerous in Blavia on Tuesday, and residents in Lezano were evacuated as a precaution. The Brescia stream, which flows into Lake Como, was being monitored. There have not yet been any reports of casualties. Several villages not on the lake shores also experienced heavy flooding, among them Disasco, 50 kilometers from Como. It is latest extreme weather to hit Europe just 2 weeks after at least 196 people were killed in heavy flooding in Germany, Belgium, and Netherlands, and left a trail of destruction expected to cost billions of euros to repair. Italian firefighters carried out more than 60 rescues after storms wreaked havoc around the picturesque lake ringed by the mountains in northern Italy. State estimates 14 billion euros of damage over the last decade to agriculture production, buildings and infrastructure because of climate change provoked events like flooding and landslides. The storms devastating Lake Como come a day after hailstorm the size of tennis balls damaged nearly 100 cars and stalled traffic on the highway near Bologna in northern Italy. Video showed the cars with windshields shattered by the hailstones pulled over on the side of a highway as stunned drivers and passengers surveyed the damage. While hailstorms are common summer feature in Italy's Po River Valley, meteorologists said that the strength of frequency of hailstorms this year has made the phenomenon unusual. The analysis shows that hailstorms are occurring at the rate of 11 a day this summer, with 386 recorded so far this year. That compares with a few dozens a year up to 6 years ago, a rate that grew to 92 in 2018 and 198 in 2019. The dimension of hailstones also has changed, growing considerably in the last year, with real ice blocks falling from the sky even bigger than the tennis ball. Hailstorms can wipe out the entire field or orchards of vegetables and fruits. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.